Oh, this one's a sticky situation. It says, my brother set up a trust, giving himself everything when my mother was incapacitated. Attorneys wanted $10,000 plus from me to fight it. So, yeah, there are crooked people in this world that do things they shouldn't. However, most likely your brother didn't set up mom's trust. Certainly, he probably didn't sign it, depending on his authority and the power of attorney. He might have. But this is why I always preach to people, get your estate planning done while you are young enough, healthy enough, and certainly have capacity, because it makes these types of things not only less likely, but it proves, in this case, what mom's intent was before losing capacity, which makes your challenge much stronger if you can show that, mom was out of her mind, she had dementia, or she was on hospice and jacked up on morphine. And, 5 days before she died, my brother, had her, tricked her into signing this document. But I have the document from 5, 10 years ago that shows what her intent was before there was any question about her capacity. Makes your challenge much stronger because you can show what the baseline for mom was prior to this nefarious act by your brother. Without a baseline, there's nothing but your word, which sounds self-serving, to say, no, my mom wanted to give me everything and not my brother, but your brother is the one holding on to the document, which puts you on the, defensive versus offensive position of fighting this. And yes, challenges are very expensive and time-consuming. And if your brother is a criminal, sounds like he might be, he actually did a good thing for himself by doing a trust instead of a will, because it does cost you more to challenge the trust than it would the will. So sometimes criminals are good at what they do. But the point of it is, do your documents while you still have capacity. There's no question about capacity. Gives you a baseline. If you need to challenge it, you have a lot more ammunition than just shooting from the hip. Sorry you're in this situation. Try to have a good day.